Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good morning,
children.
Good
Good afternoon. Yeah. Okay, so here we can start today's class. And in the, Evelyn, can you tell me what is the name of the chapter which we are discussing now?
Air pollution.
Is this Catherine? Your name is
Stems and leaves.
Evelyn. Okay, so those I am polling, those only
I
to
don't
answer.
tell in the last class.
You did. Okay, stems and
Leaves.
okay, stems and leaves. That is the name of the chapter. And in the last class, we discussed about yes, agonal gills,
Money plant.
agonal gills. Yes. What did we discuss it in the last class? Which topic we discussed?
We discussed about trees and stems.
Okay, so Catherine, when I call anyone in this third B class, you will answer it.
Yes.
Yes. Is it the right way? Is it the right way?
No.
No. So you have to wait for your turn. Okay, Catherine. Give chances to other students also. That is the great thing. Yes. So we discussed about stems in the last class. So how many of you, if you did that one, you have to raise your hand. Okay. Raise your hand. Those, why you are raising hand, Catherine? Yeah, see, listen first. Okay, listen first. So if you watch after the class, if you observe the stems of the plants around in your compound, how many of you observed it? Raise your hand. How many of you observed the stems of the plants which are there in your compound?
What's the meaning of observe?
Observe, to see, to find out, to look. Okay. Yes. Yes. Amasia have observed. Mayuka observed. Hadlin Paul, very good. And Catherine. And what about others? Renfred, very good. Yes. Aiden. Yeah. Aradhya, Ivan. Yeah. What about the others? Everyone should see, no? Everyone.
There.
Okay. Okay, so after this class, everyone should check it. Okay, because do you want to buy it from any shops?
No.
No, it is easily available. If you are simply looking around, or if any other plants are not in your compound, you can just see your neighbor's compound, isn't it? Here also you can see. You can see a lot of plants. Yes. So Renfred, all of you, please wait for your chance, Renfred.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you told you observe the plants, stems, isn't it? Okay, so have you noticed the different types of stems which we all discussed it in the class?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So you know the names of those plants, trees. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
Good, good. Okay. So now we are going to, yes, okay, Hadley. Okay, Hadley. So now we are going to learn about leaves. Okay, leaves are the important part of the, yes, leaves are the important parts of the plants. Okay, so those who have taken the leaves, keep it on your table. Keep it on your table.
Food.
Keep it on your table and be ready. Joshi Perapadan, who is this? Don't put any filters. Don't put any filters or anything. Okay. So here we are going to discuss about leaves. Let me call Hayden. Okay, not Hayden. Hadlin Paul. Hadlin Paul.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the color of the leaf?
Green.
Green. Okay, so mostly the color of the leaf, it is green. Okay, but is there any other type of colored leaves are there?
Yes.
Yellow. Okay, those have.
Red and black.
Wait.
Red.
That is what I want you. Don't make our class a mess. Okay, don't make it. So those have colored leaves other than the green. Take it and show it. Take it and show it. First, Fast. Yes, Aiden is having a brown or pink, isn't it? Yes. So like that colored, Catherine also have. Our Abba is different colored, right? Green, light green, dark green. Mayuka, very good. Aradhya. These are different colors.
This is money plant, ma'am.
Okay, yes, that time. So these different types of colored leaves. So here, as we checked it, as we learned it in the, keep it down, as we learned it in the stems. Stems have green in color, brown in color, isn't it? In the same way, these leaves also are of different colors, different shape. That all we will learn it. So now, actually, the normal color of the leaf is green. Okay, so what do you know? Yeah, do you know what it is making? What gives this green color to this leaf? What gives it green color to the leaf?
The stem.
No, it is not the stem. Okay, see one color. Wait. Let me mute your audio, Aradhya. Everyone mute it. See, while cooking the rice, what will be the color of the rice?
Yellow. White. Yellow.
White.
Yellow.
White. Okay.
Yellow.
Yellowish. White.
White.
Yellow. Okay. But
White.
when your mother makes it into this biryanis, okay, biryanis, what will be the color of the rice?
Orange. Orange.
Oh, sometimes orange, sometimes yellow, isn't it? Yeah. So wait. So I want to get answer from Rohan. Yes, Rohan. See, I told Rohan, first when we cook the rice, it will be white or yellowish white. After, when we change it into biryani or this like that food, the color of the rice will change to yellow, orange. Like what makes it to change the color, Rohan? What makes it to change the color? Those who know, please raise your hand. If Rohan, if he don't know, don't unmute. Yes, Rohan, what makes it to change the color of the rice? Okay, no problem. Listen, we can listen to Mahadevan. Yes, Mahadevan. I think Mahadevan, can you tell me what makes the change in the color of the rice? Don't know. Saharish? Yes. Don't know. Ivan?
Leaves.
Nived?
I don't know. Ma'am, the rice.
Wait, all others mute.
Ma'am, saffron color.
Mute.
Saffron color.
Jessica, please mute. I will give you chance. Then, yes, Nived?
The rice, water and fire.
Wait. Yes, Evelyn?
Vapor. Masala.
Masalas. Okay. Renfred, one easy thing is that gives a yellow color.
Roots.
Renfred?
The roots.
No. Jessica told one answer. I heard saffron. That is also giving color. Yes. And another one is there. Yellow color. Turmeric. You might have seen your mother using turmeric powder to curries. Isn't it?
Vapor.
Yes. That is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder. Wait. Turmeric powder gives color to the curries. Yellow color or orange colors to this. Mostly it is yellow color to the curries and to the dishes. Isn't it? In the same way, that is, so turmeric is the coloring thing, coloring material. Understood? In the same way, these leaves have a coloring material, green color. That is called chlorophyll. Nive, sit properly. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a coloring thing. That all you will learn it in higher class. Okay, just I am explaining. Chlorophyll is like turmeric that gives yellow color. In the same way, a coloring material or coloring thing called chlorophyll gives green color to the leaves. Okay, so those don't have the green color, they there in the leaves chlorophyll is less. Some other pigments are more in other coloring materials are more. This chlorophyll is very important. That all we will discuss it later. Yes. Okay, so here we are going to, then just now you saw different colored leaves. In the same way, we can see the leaves are different in size, in their size, isn't it? Some leaves will be very big, some leaves will be very small. Okay, Nived in between these leaves. Don't go into the into the plant. Okay, Nived. Okay. So here I am going to show. Can you give anyone, those who know the answer, raise your hand. Can you give any one example for leaf which is very big? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise. Okay, okay. Nived is showing that is there in your book. So wait. Yes, Aradhya, tell me example for leaf which is very big.
Ma'am, Vara.
Yeah, plantain leaf. Okay, plantain leaf, or we can say it that banana leaf. Isn't it? Banana. Wait. Banana leaves. Okay, these are the big leaves. See, this leaf, this as it is very big, we can use it as a plate also. Isn't it? We are using this. Yeah, yes. So, yeah, these big leaves. And at the same time, like this big leaves are there. And at the same time, small leaves also are there. Very small leaves also are there. Some are keeping the small leaf. I saw that. Show it, mute your audio. Yes. Aiden is keeping. Abba. So Aiden is showing one small leaf. Okay. Which type of plant it is, Aiden?
Ma'am.
Catherine, please wait.
I
Aiden.
I didn't know.
Okay. You don't know. Okay. And what about size? So, yeah, Aradhya is showing one. See, I think tamarind leaf. Is it tamarind leaf? No. Can you tell me which one? See, she is saying the answer and others are shouting. Yes, Aradhya. Tell me. Vaga. Okay, that is a type of medicinal plant, isn't it? Yes, see, show that leaf. Yeah, very small leaf. Can you see that? Very small leaf. Comparing to the leaf of this plantain or this banana plant, you can see it is very small. Nived is also showing the coconut leaf. Okay, that is also different size, different length. Yeah, very good, very good. So now,
Can I take a leaf?
Wait. Yes. So there are different size of the leaves are there. Big size, small one, isn't it? Yeah, Ivan is showing Panikurkula.
Ma'am had leaf.
Panikurkula. That is means it is a medicinal plant, isn't it, Ivan? I don't know the scientific name of that. Yes. So,
it is Panikurka.
Panikurka, yeah. So likewise, yeah, Aradhya is showing this same thing. So you can see that touch it, that leaf and smell it. Ivan and Aradhya, that leaves. Yeah, Evelyn also is keeping the curry leaf.
I have a star fruit leaf.
Okay, star fruit. So Evelyn, then Aradhya, that Panikurkula. So just to smell it, just rub it and smell it. Ivan, wait, children, let them do. Yes, Anna Maria is having tulsi leaf, isn't it? Tulsi plant. Yes, take the leaf. I can see it here. I can see from here, and I am saying. So those students have tulsi leaf, Panikurkula, then which one? Yeah, curry leaves. Evelyn is also have curry leaves. Just rub it on your finger. Just rub it on your finger, children, and smell it. Smell it. Is it how? Yeah, nice smell, isn't it? Like tulsi. Wait. Wait. Tulsi, then there's curry leaves, then the panicurcula, that medicinal plant, and see, have you, we are adding some coriander leaves, pudina leaves, isn't it? These all in the curry leaves, these all in the curries, dishes. So that all gives smell, isn't it? So
Okay,
some
stay
leaves, yeah, some leaves produce smell. And if we are taking the leaves of the coconut or the plantain or this rose, will we get smell? Will we get smell from? No. So some leaves are producing smell and some leaves we are not getting any smell. So that you understood from it?
Yes.
Okay. And see, Esther, just see all the leaf which you are keeping it there. All can see at Esther's leaf. Show it, Esther. Show. Yes. Yeah. How is the edges of that leaf? How is that edges of that leaf? It is like a toothed edges. Am I correct? Agnel, are
Yes.
you looking on Esther's leaf or are you looking on somebody in the home? So Esther is showing one leaf and you can see the edges of the leaf. That edges are toothed edges. Okay, toothed edges. Just see some tooths like a structure is there. Yes, Aradhya is also showing. Rose plant, rose leaf. Yes, Hadley. Rose leaf. Rose leaf. These all have toothed edges. Okay. Okay. And Nived, yeah. See the leaf of the Nived which he is keeping. I think it is a jackfruit leaf. Am I right?
No, this is chori.
Sure. Which one?
Choriela.
Chorian. Okay. Anyhow, I don't know the exact name of it, but it looks like jackfruit leaf, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you see any tooth-like structure there on the edges?
Yes.
No, it is smooth.
Never
Yeah, that is smooth. Smooth, not the top part, the edges. Edges are smooth. Okay, edges are very smooth. So some of the leaves have toothed edges. Some of the leaves are smooth edges. Okay? See, wait.
I accidentally touched on the rose on the pointy stem here.
Okay. So wait, and Jessica, let me show the leaf of the Jessica. Everyone see the leaf of Jessica. Yes, you can see in that plant. We can see one leaf there, isn't it?
Yes.
But somebody curry leaves. Those have curry leaves. Show me. Aradhya, I will tell you about that leaf later. Okay, curry leaves. Somebody show that curry leaves. One is having so many leaves on that. Yes, you can see Adidev is showing. I think Adidev is walking around the compound. Yes. So Adidev, let me show. Yes. See, you can see children. Is there in one of that part? Okay, that is called petiole. We will learn it about later. So the part of the leaf which attached to the stem, that is called petiole. In that petiole, so many curry leaves you can see, isn't it? Is it the same way as we can see it on hibiscus plant like that? Huh? Only one leaf will be there attached to that stem, isn't it? Yes, this is called compound leaf. These leaves are called compound leaf. Yes, Catherine, compound leaf. Okay, so yes, this Anna Maria is showing a simple leaf because there is only one leaf in that. But this one, curry leaf, yeah, curry leaves, then...
Ma'am, this is a curry leaf.
Okay, yes, I got. Yeah, so you can see there so many leaves are attached to it. Okay. Everyone come back to your place. Everyone come back to your place. It is enough now. Mute your audio.
Do you see?
Mute your, yeah, wait. See, now I want to show Aradhya's leaf. Okay, see this, is there any type of lobe?
Ma'am, can you spot her?
Yes, Hadley?
Spot her? Ma'am.
Spot her. Okay, wait.
Ma'am.
Before that, yeah, Mayuka also I want to show. Mayukas and Aradhyas, all others sit quietly, okay? Don't, who is walking now? Zahra, you can sit on a place now, not Zahra, Fida, right? Yes. Yes. Wait.
Yes.
1 minute, children. Please wait.
I have a colorful leaf.
Wait. See, whenever we heard the name leaf, the all on a sudden, like this shape will come in our mind, right? Huh? Like this shape. Maybe this picture is not perfect, but like this leaf. Isn't it, children? Isn't it? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
But some of the plants, like, see, wait. Aradhya, and one more I told, yeah. Who it is? Mayuka. Yes. Mayuka, let me first spotlight Aradhya's leaf. Okay. So can you see it is like a lobed leaf? Okay, lobes, not like the actual normal shape of the leaf. It is called lobed leaf. Okay. Nived, I will come back to you. That is another shape that we will discuss it later. Okay. Next one. Mayuka, be ready with your leaf. Mayuka. Yes. Wait. Yes, that is papaya leaf, right?
Yes.
Mayuka, yes, it is very common. So children, there you can see compound leaf, and also each leaf, it is like a, is that the shape is like the, which one I draw it on the board?
No.
No, this is called lobed leaf. Okay, lobed leaf, like papaya, like there's so many type of plants have like this type of leaf.
I have a leaf.
Emmanuel, please wait. Okay, so I hope you understood the lobed leaf. Is it okay? Is it clear? Next one. Wait, I saw another type. Yes, Nived. Okay, Aradhya, keep it down. Nived, show that leaf. Nived, yes. That is the one colocasia type. No, not that one. Yes, Adrinath, not that one. Yeah, this one, Nived. Yes. The which one is on in your right hand? Which one is on your right hand? Right. Yes, that is the shape of a love, heart, isn't it? So heart-shaped leaves are there. Heart-shaped leaves are there. Yeah, like what we can see. See, lengthy one, isn't it? This type of long one, like a needle-like leaves also are there. Okay, thank you, Nived. And one more example. Yeah, Mayuka. Yes.
Ma'am, I can show some leaves. I am ready with leaves.
Who is this SRFC? If you first tell me the name, rename you. Rename.
Emmanuel can.
Wait. That I told already. Yes. See, Esther is showing one type of leaf that is like a needle-like. Am I right? At the top of it, at the end of it. Oh, Mayuka, it is a different type.
Ma'am, I have this type of slide.
See, it is, see, gaps are there, holes are there. Isn't it? That is also
elephant plant. I also have one of them.
Oh, wow. See, the stem of it, the stem of that plant is very weak.
I also have.
Okay, good children. One only I can show it. Okay, good. Don't run. Okay, very good. So now.
Ma'am, I have so many plants.
Okay, see, all come back to your place. Everyone come back to your place and watch. I also have some type of images. Okay, shall I show? See, these are the smooth-edged money plant leaves.
And this money plant leaves.
Rohan, everyone mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Agnel, everyone mute your audio and listen. Come back to your place, Nived. Okay, enough. Okay, so here. So here I want to show the leaves of the coconut, leaves of this, this is lobed leaf. Isn't it? The example which my yucca, like that. See, this one is a round shaped leaf, lotus leaf. Okay, round shaped leaf. See, can you see the water when we keep it on this type of leaf, the water will become like this, like a pearl. Okay, like pearls. That means, yeah. Yes, Abba.
I have this leaf.
Okay, everybody will have this. Okay, because these all are
I
common.
also have.
So what you want to do when we show these images, you should understand and to identify. And after the class, you have to check it thoroughly. Okay. Then these neem leaves, tooth edges, compound leaves, so many leaves are there on one petiole. And here palm trees, people tree, heart-shaped leaf, heart-shaped leaves. Okay, and here is a toothed edge. Okay, these type of plants are toothed edge side, and this is which one? Tulsi plant. Smelling, yeah, smelling small leaves which are smelling. Yeah, medicinal leaf. Like this, many varieties of leaves are there. Yes, okay. Is it this one? Lotus?
No.
Which one? Round shape, very good. Round shape leaf. Yeah, okay, okay. And Anna Maria is having like a blade-like leaf, isn't it? Like a sword. It looks like a sword. So with the sword, Jhansi Rani, like Anna Maria is sitting there. Okay, Zahra Subeda is also. Children, here we learn.
I want to rename my name.
Okay, okay. So like this, so many types of leaves are there. So read the chapter properly, check, observe in your compound, okay, and try to find out the different varieties of leaves. And see, children, it is very important that if your grandparents are there at your home, you can get the help of them, okay, because they are the best teachers. Not the we teachers, the best teachers are your grandparents. They know the name, the importance of each type of plant, leaf. Okay, so just go with have a walk with your grandparents or your parents or your uncles, and also they can give you a lot of information about it. Okay. So in the next class, we will learn about the function of stems and function of leaves. Okay.